What's up everyone, in today's video I am very exciting to announce that the Olymp trading signal is now available for free. So it means that all the traders who wanted to automate their trade and generate passive income from automation trading, now it's available for free. The way that the Olymp trading signal is work is that you needed to connect to the trading view or MT4 so that you can receive the signal from either MT4 or trading view, and then it will execute onto your binary option brokers. So without further ado, let me showing you how you can get the Olymp trading signal and set it up onto your computers. Okay, so first thing you needed to go to our website is olymp tradingsignal.io. Just type in the website. So when the website is launched, you can click on start now for free right here. And if you are not a member of the Olymp, so it will prompt to sign up. But if you are already a member of the Olymp, then just go to the download, or you can click to start for free. It will go to the download page. Either way, it's the same. So these are the brokers that currently supported with our Olymp trading signal. Okay, actually only one that is not supported is Alpha, because we're still working on the broker connections to our bot, but these 4 brokers are already working. We have Olymp Trade, we have Quotex, we have Pocket Option, we have IQ Option, and we also have crypto future trading with Binance as well. So if you already have Binance account and you wanted to automate the trade, so that you can do as well with the Binance connected to our Olymp. Okay, so then let's go down to the download. So here's the download. You just click on download. So right now I am using Windows, so I'm going to use this Windows version. And if you are using Mac, so you can download this one. Okay, so since I'm using Windows, I'm going to download for Windows. So now it start downloading. So when the download is finished, just go into folder. Okay, it's come here. So when you're on the folder, you can see here Olymp trading signal. Just extract here. So when you extract, you will see the Olymp trading signal right here. Just double click to open. Then you will see the Olymp installer. So it's mean right now you can't just install our Olymp into your computer just like any other application. Okay, let's make this a little bigger one. This one right here. So let's double click to install, and then here we go. We got this installing process going on. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut so that I can have a shortcut application on to my computer screen right here. So then I just click on next, then click on install, and then the install process starting. Just wait for this process to finish. Now it's done, then just click on finish. Okay, now the bot is launched right here, and then you can select your brokers, which is your which one of your brokers that you are using. So in this case I am using Quotex. I just go to Quotex right here, click on get started, and drag it here. Now you can see that I have my detail to log into my Quotex account to connect it to the Olymp. Then when I have this email and password ready, I just click on login. Okay, the login is success. Then you can choose between the demo or real account. You can choose it's going to real or it's going to demo. You can choose either one of them. Now let me show you how you can use the Olymp for free to automate it with trading view. So let me go on to trading view right here, trading view, enter. Let's go to chart here, products, and click on chart. So now we launch the charts on Binance here. And in trading view, there are a lot of indicators, a lot of strategies that you can use. For example, indicator right here, just go on to indicators and you can search for RSI strategies, for an example. RSI strategy. Just click on RSI strategy or divergent RSI strategies by Knowledge Gel. So this is by me. I did it myself, and you can also find a lot of like top and bottom strategies right here. That's also work. So in this example, let me go to strategies on RSI right here. So you can check here, and this is the win rate is 65%. That's not bad. It's pretty good. Let's go to 5 minutes. This is on, and we can see that 72% win rate on 5 minutes. That's pretty good on this strategies. Okay, so how we set up the alert? Whenever we got this alert signal, and then it going to execute it on our Quotex account, so that you don't have to do anything. This is, I can say, how you can completely make passive income from trading by finding the right strategy, the best strategy, or you can custom build your own strategies on trading view, or you can use someone strategies. You have to use the word strategies when you are searching for alert in trading. You have to search like MACD, for example, MACD, and then you have to with the word strategies like this. Okay, if it doesn't exist, it doesn't exist the word strategy, so you can't create an alert. So alert doesn't work because it doesn't give the signal like this, sell or buy signal. So that's why when you are looking for signal, you need to look for this, this thing, so that it can create, or it can generate alert, and then based on that alert, it will execute the trade automatically, and then you just sit back and relax. Okay, now let's create an alert by going to our clock right here. I'm gonna drag this all the way up here. I'm gonna clear this out, clear the log, then click on clock sign right here, and the condition is the Bitcoin. Let's check for our RSI strategies right here. Going to RSI strategies, you click on that RSI strategies, and you needed to notify, so power up, and webhook here. This is the key, to get alert generated. You needed to check on a webhook. So this is not the webhook that we are going to use, so you needed to delete this and copy the webhook from the description in these videos. So in this case, I already have one as an example, so I will just copy that one from here. So let's go this one. Okay, right here, this is the webhook that you needed to use. Just copy, and then I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, here we go. That's it. Just use this one, or you can just type it. Yeah, just not that long. And after that, here you don't use this one. Okay, you needed to delete all this and keep this one. Keep the word strategy.order.action, because this is the key, to get the signal. It's going to translate these strategies, this alert, into sell or into buy when this come. When there's an alert coming, this going to translate that. So we're gonna keep this one here, and then I'm gonna use this as an okay. So we're gonna use this one. Just gonna copy, and I'm gonna paste it here. Let me paste it, Okay, here's the key, and the key here I'm gonna delete it, delete all of them. Okay, right here I'm gonna put this one right here. And okay, let's take these strategies out, and this strategy gonna translate buy or sell, so I'm gonna put it here onto side. We got side here, and convert the strategy into buy or sell. So when this signal come, it will convert into sell. When the up come, it's gonna convert into buy. And ticker here is the symbol. If it is a Bitcoin, and it's going to trigger that Bitcoin right here. Okay, and we got key right here. So this one is really important to connect OrderBot. The key here is this one, is signal key right here. So let me this is called signal key. So if you are using follow Joe, so I'm gonna put this one in here, you know, as follow Joe. Okay, for the curly braces, I'm gonna drop it down here. I think that's it. Yeah, we got sides which convert our strategies into buy or sell, and we got symbol is this pair, and we got key here to connect our OrderBot, and then just hit on create, and let me name it. This is an RSI strategies. Okay, strategies, and then I'm gonna create that. Done. So it's done. So when I create that, you can see this one. So every time when this, you know, strategies pick the signal, and then it will execute a trade into, you know, our Quotex account. So let me check this one off, because profit filter set to 75%. Let me check onto our Quotex account if we have a crypto currency to trade today. Let's go into crypto. Oh, we don't have crypto. So yep, it's not gonna trade, because, you know, it's not available onto the brokers. It's only available on the OTC market, but sadly, because we don't have OTC market on TradingView, so we can't automate it on Saturday or Sunday. Okay, so this is how it works on, you know, automate trading, and you can use our OrderBot for free using this function, you know, that connects to TradingView or MT4. But if you don't have TradingView accounts, or if you don't have an MT4 account, and you have a difficulty to use, and if you are new traders, you don't know how to use, you know, either MT4 or TradingView, I think it's best that you can subscribe to our admin signal, because admin signal also have the, you know, historical signal that you can check as well. So because I just created on the first and the second, so I just started, but as you can see, this is 1 hour expiry. If you are using admin signal, you're going to use this one. You're going to set this one to 60 minutes. So when you set it to 60 minutes, and then you just, you know, check onto this admin signal, and you don't have to have this, you know, TradingView account, because admin signal will send the trading signal to you, and you don't have to worry about MT4 or TradingView. This is special for the new traders, and you can check on our history, you know, signal as well. We have losing, winning, losing, winning, and if you are using martingale to 3 steps or to 4 step, I think you can easily winning and make, you know, some money every single day by just, you know, subscribe to the admin signals. Okay, I think that's it now for this update video, and I hope you have an amazing day. And if you have any questions, so please leave the comment down below. I try my best to respond back, and have a good day, everyone. Bye bye.